If you're living in the new hall this year, here's how you can loft your bed. Before you can adjust the bed frame, you will need a mallet. Mallets are available at the front desk. Once you have a mallet, remove the mattress from the bed frame and set it aside. Next, remove the cubbies by hitting the mallet against the frame on the underside of the cubbies, and do this to remove both of them. Next, loosen the support bar connecting the bed ends by hitting the mallet against the underside of the metal frame. Go to one side of the bed and loosen both ends of the bed frame on that side with your mallet. With one person holding up the opposite bed end, remove the bed end from your side, remove the support bar from the opposite end and set it aside. Pull out the bed frame and move it up to your desired height. Put the hooks into the still standing bed end. Hit the mallet against the top of the frame on both sides to lock it into place. On that same bed end, place the support bar below the bed. Return the first bed end to the bed frame and support bar, simultaneously placing the bed frame and support bar at level heights. Finally, use the mallet to lock both ends of the support bar and all ends of the bed frame in place. Once this is done, you can return your two cubbies and your mattress to the frame. Your bed is now lofted. Stay smart and have a great year, Warhawks.